One of the greatest features of CalArts Connect is the CalArts directory. Ever expanding, this database is the perfect tool for reconnecting with or meeting new CalArts colleagues and collaborators. To quickly find people who have something in common with you, check out the tabs beneath the search bar. If you're a student or alumnus, My Class will show you people who have the same field of study and graduation year. For any user who has listed a location and industry in their profile, My Location will show you folks who are geographically close to you, and My Industry will show you users who have filled out their profiles with one or more of the industries you have listed in your own profile. Who's Missing shows those who haven't yet joined CalArts Connect, but not to worry. If you want to connect, you can invite them to join the platform, or if we have their email address on file, you can send them a message through CalArts Connect that will go straight to their email inbox. The filters on the right side give you even more options for making connections. You can look for people by their affiliations to CalArts, their field of study, their skill set, their industry, even schools they attended outside of CalArts. Some of these filters have a lot of options, so you can always type in what you're looking for to search more quickly. In multi-select categories such as skills, please note that the filters will show you anyone who matches with one or more of your selections within a category, as opposed to every selection. You can always choose Reset at the bottom of the Filters panel to clear your selections. Once you've found someone you'd like to connect with, you can click on their name to view their profile and select Message, or use the in-platform messaging system accessed from the upper right part of your screen to start a conversation. The 3 vertical dots allow you to filter between all messages and just those marked unread. Like a typical email inbox, you can search your messages, mark messages as unread, attach files, and delete conversations. You can draft new messages to any user registered on the platform by selecting the New Messages icon and typing in the name of the person you'd like to reach. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out via email to alumnus@calarts.edu. Happy connecting!